Hi, it's Arjwaset, and today I'll show you how to set up gestures on Samsung Galaxy S20 Exynos. So for example, go into the settings, then display, scroll down into navigation bar, then select swipe gestures. Now we have here the more options. You can change the gesture sensitivity, but I will show you how to use the gestures. First, to go into the home screen, scroll from the bottom to top, like that. Now to open background apps, swipe from the bottom, but hold on the center, and now here you go. And to go back, just swipe from the left or from the right. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.